Hey guys, today we'll be playing Princess Cat Nom. Cat Nom, there's also Dog Nom, Cow Nom. But since I am also a cat lover and a dog lover, which, yeah, so I'm going to be playing this cat one. Oh my god, that's so cute! Oh my god. It's adorable! How this time? Why is this so cute? Look at the blue one! Open shop upgrades. Ooh. Oh, look at the boots. You know what they look like? They look like mouses. They look like mouse. Like, cats don't like mouse, do they? Look at these two up here. Look at these up here. Little cat one. Oh my god. Oh, thank you for free. Let's go. It's so cute how to just say, oh my god, a taco. Oh. 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 I thought it was a taco. That was so cute. Princess Cat Nom. What's over here? Oh, 3 times of what? I'm not good at my maths, okay? That's auto run. Am I supposed to use my diamonds or what? Oh, never mind. No, I want to leave. How do I leave? Okay. Oh god damn it, I accidentally clicked. Go over here, you little minions. I'm number 1 worker. Okay. Oh, what's that? I'm eating right now, guys. Yeah, I'm eating. I'm eating a play again. I'm eating a banana. Not type of the dirty banana, okay? I'm not thinking about the D, like D-I-C-K. I'm talking about finger banana and it's delicious. Oh my gosh, why does this sound so dirty all of a sudden? No, what's that? Yep. No. Get out, bad. There. They're gonna have to need a lot of fish for this one. A lot of fish. Oh my god, look at this hamster. Oh my god. Cute. Nom. Let's go. This is so cute, honestly. Let's go. No. I got the ice cream over here. And the candy. Just go. Yeah. It's even weirder than I'm eating right now. Oh, too cute. No, I probably should make a nom nom. Gonna make a nom nom. Little ditty nom nom. Is this a bunny? Oh my god, this is so cute. Little nom nom. Nom. Yeah, I'm gonna have to watch that, guys. Be right back. Yay! There's 4 little nom noms now. All little nom noms, go! Go, my little nom noms, go! My little nom nom is They are so cute. Oh my god, my little num nums. Gonna watch an ad for them. Maybe I could I'm not gonna buy it. Then I bought it. No. No, I didn't want to quit the game. Oh my god. I'm not gonna wait another 100 minutes to get the fishy one. So it's gonna be worth it, guys. I'm gonna be worth it. I'm gonna be worth it. What the fuck? Do I English, bro? I'm still eating my banana. What's this? Everything I say, this sounds so dirty. It's like, if you say you're actually like eating an eggplant, not a dirty eggplant, but like an eggplant, it just sounds so dirty all of a sudden. I just don't know why. Eggplant. 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 Freaking eggplant! This everything just sounds dirty in our head. Like, what happened if somebody's actually saying balls? But you've been unlocked. Oh! Look at all these diamonds, man! Nice! Nice! There's, like, if you're saying you have, like, balls, it sounds weird. What if you actually have, like, soccer balls? It sounds less weirder when you see, like, soccer balls. Oh, cards game. Try your lucky shoes card. I'm gonna go in the middle. Double food. Double it now. Let's double this awesome effect. Oh my gosh, Cat and Almighty looks so cute. Wow, looks so loud. Oh no! That's okay. I born another kitty. Oh, stop! Stop burning other kitties. Stop. Stop. I don't want more. I just accidentally clicked on Princess Nom Nom. Stop. I don't want to buy the fish over here. Nom Nom. Look at all them fishies. No. Come on. Yeah, let's go. Cutie tissues. It's so cute. This is the weirdest video I've ever made. This is just a normal YouTuber. No, not normal. My videos are not even normal. This is just a weird YouTuber recording a weird princess cat nom nom thing and eating a banana and playing a game. Yeah. Look what they say. Oh god. By the way, tomorrow I have school, so I'm not going to be uploading. And also I have tuition, so I'm not going to be uploading too. So yeah. I might... I can't eat my banana. Play this game. I have to peel off the peeling. Why does everything sound dirty? I don't know, it's probably because of dirty minds. Yes! You're gonna have enough to buy the fish! I mean the fish, I mean the ice cream stand. We can do it! We can do it! Come on. You know what's weird about this? I would have to make a part 2. I'm gonna make a part 2 soon. Don't worry. Okay, I'm gonna end this video right now, but I'm gonna make a part 2 soon.